Settle it for everything, but never nothing. I gotta have your last name, baby. Ring on it, fire burning constant, either day or night.
What is good, beautiful people? It's your girl. I'm still Asia, baby. Cause every time I close my eyes, I see you. Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you are new here, hello, and welcome. Okay? Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos from your girl, okay? As y'all can tell today, I have, oh gosh, every time I get ready to say his name, I get nervous, y'all. Sebastian Maniscalco, oh gosh, did I say that? Maniscalco. That just sounds like it should just roll off, okay? That, like I should have a in there somewhere, but I don't know if you put that in there or not, but I'm just saying, okay? This is Doorbell, y'all. Doorbell. What's wrong with people? Okay, this was a special, and I want to send a special shout out. This one came from J.A. Kelly. So shout out to you, J.A. Kelly, okay, for this recommendation. He dropped a comment down in my video. Sebastian is great. First date deal breakers and his doorbell bit are both good. Oh, and I have to give a shout out to James That's Who, okay? James That's Who, like, cosign, okay? He said, Asia, you should check out Doorbell by Sebastian. Also, I immediately thought of BJ when he started talking about feet. Oh my God. I probably shouldn't have read that part. Okay, but shout out to you, James That's Who, always showing major love. Huge support of Asia and BJ, y'all. So if you didn't know, we have a reaction channel, Asia or myself and my husband on Asia and BJ. We do music reactions over there. So make sure y'all go over there and follow that channel if y'all don't already. Okay, tune in, tap in. We always go on live. Okay, dropping new videos almost every day. So I'm just saying, okay? So yeah. I don't know what to expect, y'all, but y'all really enjoyed the last one that I did of his, and I did as well, so I had to do another video for him. So yeah, I ain't finna keep this video long, y'all. This video is long enough, so go on and get your popcorn ready, and let's go on and get into this video, y'all. Okay, ow.
I was sitting in my house a couple weeks ago, just relaxing. My doorbell rang. This is weird. It's a different feeling when your doorbell rings today opposed to 20 years ago, right? 20 years ago, your doorbell rang. That was a happy moment in your house. It's called company. You'd be sitting there on a Thursday night watching TV. Your doorbell rang. The whole family shot off the couch. Oh my God!
We got company.
Put the lights on. Somebody's here. We got people. The whole family went to the door. The kids were in socks. They slid up to the door. Nobody looked to see who it was. Right? You just opened up the door. You were like, oh my God, look at that.
Yo, I know where this is about to go, y'all, okay? I can bet you anything. You know what I'm saying? It used to be like, oh yeah, we got company, y'all, we got company. Cheers, my aunt here. Yeah, no, now you be like, shh. Everybody be quiet. Cut the light off, be quiet. Okay, get down. Shh, y'all. The way he giving you these facial expressions on top of that too. He is a mess. Hey, y'all.
Look at us here. And you ask him, what the hell are you doing here? And the person will be like, I was in the neighborhood. I thought I might stop by, see how the kids are doing. They're like, oh, come on in. We're gonna have some cake. Your mother had a little Entenmann's. Maybe some Sara Lee crumble cake. Just in case company came over. She made an announcement when she bought it. She's like, listen, nobody touch this cake. This is for company only. Those crap muffins, those are for you people.
Oh, no.
Better hope to God somebody comes over so we could cut the cake.
That's when you was expecting it, when you was prepared, okay, for company. That's when you was like, yeah, you know, in case anybody come over type thing. Yeah, no, now, y'all, negative. That's a double negative, okay? Absolute not for you people. I'm just saying, I be trying to avoid it, okay?
You cut the cake. She put her cake in the middle of the table, proud of it. Right? She put it right in the middle. Cut yourself a slice. Want a cup of coffee? We're gonna do want some Sanka? Yeah, that's old school. A lot of the young kids are looking at me like, what is that, an iPhone app?
Isn't that coffee, y'all? I think I just recently learned that, like, y'all were telling us about that in one of our lives. Y'all was talking about Sanka, and I was like, what is that? If I'm not mistaken, isn't that what that is? Because otherwise, I don't know. I don't know either, y'all. I don't know what that is either.
A lot of the young kids are looking at me like, what is that, an iPhone app?
All right.
What the hell is Sanka?
Breadcrumbs.
Your mother had a tin, brown and orange tin of Sanka, ready to go just in case the company. She put a big pot on the table. Go ahead. Nobody had a cell phone back then. If your house phone did ring, your father stood up and said, nobody get that phone. We got company.
Not for the company.
You lost track of time. 2 hours went by. You were like, we got to get out of here. That's okay. Next time we're going to come by you. Be like, yeah, my door's always open. Now your doorbell rings? It's like, what the fuck?
Y'all, I've never seen this. I promise y'all, I've never seen this. That is so funny. The only reason why, y'all, because I literally used to be like that. I would be like, no, shh, shh. Who is it, y'all? Looking through the peephole, like, we expecting company? Okay, shh, shh. DJ be like, nah, I don't know who that. Me neither. Shit, I ain't answering the door. You know what I mean, y'all? We try to get the kids to be quiet. Look at. Oh, snap. Right?
All right, your own mother's crawling across the kitchen floor. Get down, my army crawl. Army crawl, get in the closet. Go get the sword in the living room. Somebody get the sword underneath the couch in the living room. There's a sword. All right, you have to turn and ask your family, you invite anybody over? You invite anybody over?
Hey, y'all.
There's always that person upstairs that didn't hear the bell. They come walking down. What the hell is going on? Get the hell down. Somebody's outside.
Shut up.
They're at the door. I think they saw movement. Oh, God. I got to open it. I got no cake. I got no Sanka. I got nothing. Got nothing for these people.
Oh.
You can't stop by anybody's house anymore. If you do, you have to call from the driveway.
Period.
You're like,
okay?
I'm here, can I approach? It's me and 3 other people. We're gonna walk up through this side. Is that your mother with a sword? Why did you?
Sure, for the creeps, okay? For the creeps, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. Sure, I don't want no problems. I'm just saying. And don't just be popping up over my house, okay, thinking you finna just come over and see what we up to and see what the kids is doing and how y'all be. No, not without you calling me first, okay? I don't need none of that. None of that. I'm just saying, y'all. Like, you almost don't even want to approach people in the grocery store these days because it's just so, y'all, it's not the same. I don't know. I feel like, shoot, I don't know what has happened to people where people are just not as, like, openly friendly as they used to be. I feel like, because I agree. I feel like I'm one of those types of people. But I was like that a long time ago. I don't know. I've never been, like, just oh, you showed up. Like, come on in. Like, absolutely not. Okay? You gonna know that I don't want you. No, I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing, y'all. For real. No, honestly, I don't have a lot of company. That's probably, like, my whole situation. A lot of people don't come over. Like, maybe where we used to live, like, my neighbor would always just walk across the street, like, unexpectedly because we did that to each other. But, like, other than that, yeah, I don't really like maybe a little bit, but not to that to that extreme. I'm just saying, I know it's some of y'all out there though, because y'all legit know people that be like, shh, shh. Who is this at the door? Do you know who you tell to come over here? Are we expecting company? Y'all, it be times, especially now, probably now more than ever, especially because we could just look at the doorbell and see who at the door. Yeah, it be people ringing, and sometimes they be coming to mow the grass, and I'll just let them stand there and ring the doorbell because I didn't know they was coming. BJ didn't tell me that they was coming, and he'd be like, babe, open the door so he can get into the back. Like, you gotta open the side gate so he can go around and mow the back. And I'd be like, you better be glad that you said something, okay? Because he was finna be standing there, or we wasn't finna have the grass mowed today. It's just that simple. I'm just saying. So, I know it's some of y'all out there. Y'all let me know if y'all done that down in the comment section, okay? If y'all enjoyed this video, be sure you give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Join the family. And if ain't nobody told you, I love you. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video, y'all. Ow. Bye, y'all. Mwah.